That clean, fluffy towel you use every day might seem harmless, almost comforting even. It's soft, it smells fresh, and it's always there when you need it. But here's the truth. It might not be as clean as you think. Even if it looks spotless, your towel could be hiding something you can't see. It could be the secret reason behind your skin problems, those unexpected breakouts, irritation, or redness that just won't go away. Most of us don't realize our towels can be a breeding ground for germs. We trust our towels to be fresh, but the reality is quite different. Every time you use your towel, you're leaving behind moisture, dead skin cells, and natural oils, creating the perfect environment for bacteria and even mold to thrive. Your towel can quickly go from a tool for cleanliness to a source of irritation and breakouts. After you shower, you feel clean until you use your towel and unknowingly transfer bacteria back onto your skin. This cycle can make it harder for your skin to heal and stay healthy. These germs have been multiplying on your towel since the last use. In a warm, humid bathroom, bacteria and fungi can double in number in just a few hours. So, while you think you're finishing your hygiene routine, you might actually be undoing your hard work. Your skin is your body's largest organ. Protecting it starts with understanding what touches it. Towels are a staple in every home, but the science behind how bacteria thrive on them is simple. Warmth, moisture, and time. Once you know what's happening, you'll see your towel in a new light. It's time to pull back the curtain on this everyday item and rethink your bathroom habits. This knowledge will empower you to protect your skin and keep it healthy, starting with something as simple as your towel. Let's walk through a daily habit that most of us never think twice about. Picture your morning routine. You wash your face, feeling refreshed and ready to start the day. Then, almost automatically, you reach for the same towel you used yesterday, maybe even the day before. It seems harmless, just a simple part of your routine. But that towel has been sitting there, damp and warm, hanging in a steamy bathroom after every use. These are the perfect conditions for bacteria and even mold to thrive, multiplying with every passing hour. When you press that towel to your freshly cleaned skin, you're unknowingly transferring bacteria, dead skin cells, and oils right back onto your pores, undoing some of your hard work. This cycle repeats itself every single day, morning and night, becoming a hidden part of your skincare routine. The same goes for your bath towel. After a shower, you dry off, then hang it up, still damp, ready to be used again. Each use spreads bacteria from one area of your body to another, sometimes even worsening skin issues or irritation. The towel may look and smell perfectly fine, but under a microscope, it's teeming with invisible bacteria and microbes. We can't see it, so we don't question it. It's easy to overlook what's invisible to the naked eye, but that innocent act of drying your skin could actually be working against you, contributing to breakouts or irritation. Maybe it's time to pause and rethink this routine we take for granted. Small changes, like swapping out your towel more often, can make a surprisingly big difference for your skin and your health. Why are towels in the bathroom such a problem? Most people don't realize just how quickly a towel can become a breeding ground for bacteria. It all comes down to three things: moisture, warmth, and a food source. These are the perfect ingredients for bacteria to thrive. When you dry off after a shower, your towel absorbs water and stays damp for hours, creating an ideal environment for bacteria to multiply rapidly. Bathrooms are naturally warm and humid, especially after a hot shower, which only speeds up bacterial growth and makes things worse. In these conditions, your towel basically becomes an incubator for germs, allowing them to flourish. Plus, every time you dry your skin, you leave behind dead skin cells and natural oils. These act as food for bacteria, helping them grow even faster. So, your towel isn't just damp. It's a buffet for germs, providing everything they need to multiply. And with every use, you're restocking their food supply, making it even easier for bacteria to stick around. Common bacteria found on towels include E. coli and staph, both of which can cause skin infections, rashes, or even worse than acne. Even if your bathroom is well ventilated, thick towels take a long time to dry, giving bacteria plenty of time to multiply between uses. During that time, bacteria thrive and can reach surprisingly high numbers in just a day or two. Understanding how this cycle works is the first step to breaking it and keeping your towels and your skin healthier. Let's see how all of this can actually affect your skin and what you can do about it. What does all this bacteria mean for your skin? The most direct result: acne and breakouts. Rubbing a dirty towel on your face transfers oil, dead skin and bacteria into your pores, clogging them and causing inflammation. If you're prone to acne, a dirty towel can make it worse. Even expensive skincare can't help if your towel is sabotaging your efforts. Dirty towels can also cause irritation, redness, and disrupt your skin's natural balance. And for those with eczema or psoriasis, bacteria from towels can trigger flare-ups and worsen symptoms. The friction from towels can add to irritation. Bacteria like staph can even cause more serious infections if there's a break in the skin. Using a fresh towel is a simple way to reduce your risk. Help your skin by keeping what touches it clean. One big mistake: reusing towels too many times before washing. Each use increases the bacterial load. Wash your bath towel after every 3 uses max. Hand towels, used more often and by more people, should be changed every day or 2. Another mistake: not letting towels dry completely. Hanging them bunched up traps moisture and breeds bacteria. Always spread towels out on a bar to dry quickly. Sharing towels is another problem. It spreads bacteria, fungi and viruses. Everyone should have their own towels, especially for the face. Finally, wash towels in hot water and dry them thoroughly. Heat and sunlight help kill germs. Proper washing is as important as frequent washing. These habits make a big difference. The solution is simple. Use a clean towel more often. For your face, use a fresh washcloth every time, or try disposable paper towels for a sterile option. For your body, wash your bath towel after 3 uses. If laundry is a concern, buy a pack of inexpensive washcloths and rotate them. Always hang towels to dry fully, never leave them bunched up. If possible, dry towels in sunlight for extra disinfection. Be mindful of your towel habits, how often you wash, how you dry, and whether you share. Small changes can lead to clearer, healthier skin. You'll notice fewer breakouts and less irritation. It's a low-cost way to take better care of your skin. Start today. Your skin will thank you. Check the video description for my recommended essentials. No gimmicks, just what works. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips to make your life better.